Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Boolean Logic Part 5. The link for the previous 4 parts are available in the description section of this video. Let's move on into the video. The subtopics are some more logic gates and logic circuits. Let's learn some more logic gates: NAND gate, NOR gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate. NAND gate is the combination of AND gate and NOT gate. So you can call it as the inverted AND gate. Let me draw the symbol for NAND gate. Just draw AND gate, attach a bubble here. It becomes NAND gate. It accepts 2 or more inputs. Let's see how it works. It gives you 0 if all the inputs are 1. It gives you 1 even if one of the inputs is 0. See the two variable combination truth table. Here all the inputs are 0, so you get 1. Here one of the inputs is 0, so you get 1. Here also you get 1. All the inputs are 1, so you get 0. In this 3 variable combination, if you see the first 7 combinations, at least one of the inputs is 0. So you get the output 1. For all these combinations, you get the output 1. Only for the last combination, if you see all the inputs are 1, so you get 0. NOR gate. It is a combination of OR gate and NOT gate, that is inverted OR gate. Let me draw the symbol for this. Just draw OR gate, attach a bubble. It is NOR gate. This also accepts 2 or more inputs. It gives you 1 if all the inputs are 0. It gives you 0 even if one of the inputs is 1. See the two variable combination. The first combination is all the inputs are 0, so you get 1. One of the inputs is 1, so you get 0. Here also 0. Here all the inputs are 1, so you get 0. See the three variable combination. The first one, all the inputs are 0, so you get 1. And if you see the other input combination, at least one of the input is 1, so you get 0. And in the last input combination, all the inputs are 1, you get 0. XOR gate, that is exclusive OR gate. Let me draw the symbol for this. Just OR gate with an additional curve, that is XOR gate. This also accepts 2 or more inputs. It gives you 0 if the input has even number of ones, and it gives you 1 if the input has odd number of ones. To easily remember this, just count the number of letters in XOR. It is 3 letter. It's a 3-letter word. So odd number. If the input has odd number of ones, it gives you 1, otherwise 0. See the two variable combination. There are no ones at all in the first combination. It means that 0 number of ones. 0 is considered as even. So the output will be 0. Here odd number of 1, so 1. Here also 1. Here there are 2 ones, so you get 0. Let's move on to the 3 variable combination. Again the first one has 0 number of ones. So even number, it gives you 0. Here odd number of 1, so 1. Here also odd number of 1, so 1. Here even number of 1s, so 0. Here odd number of 1, so 1. Here even number of 1s, so 0. Here also even number of 1s, so you get 0. Here odd number of 1s, so you get 1. XNOR gate. XNOR is the combination of XOR and NOT gate. Let me draw the symbol. Same way, draw two curves here. XOR gate, attach a bubble. It becomes XNOR. This also accepts 2 or more inputs. And it gives you 0 if the input has odd number of ones. And it gives you 1 if the input has even number of ones. Just count the number of letters in XNOR. It is 4. So it gives you 1 if it has even number of 1s. And the symbol is A XOR B the whole bar. See the two variable combination. There are 0 number of 1s, so even number of 1s, so it gives you 1. Here odd number of 1, so 0. Here also odd number of 1, so 0. There are 2 1s here, even number of 1s, so you get 1. See the 3 variable combination. Again 0 number of 1s, even number, so it gives you 1. Here odd number, so 0. Here also odd number of 1s, so 0. Even number of 1s, you get 1. Odd number of 1s, so 0. Here even number of 1s, so 1. Here also even number of 1s, so 1. Here there are 3 1s, so odd number, you get 0. Let's move on to logic circuit. Logic circuit can be built using the logic gates. So this logic circuit carries out a set of logical actions based on the given Boolean expression. So we can say that a Boolean expression can be represented using a logic circuit with the help of the combination of logic gates. Let's draw some logic circuits here. See the given expression, it is xy plus x bar dot y bar. So if you see the first term xy, it is a product term, x dot y. The second term is also a product term. And these two product terms are added. So it is sum of products. In short, it is called as SOP. Let me draw the logic circuit for the given expression. See the first term alone. It is xy. It's a product term. Obviously, we need an AND gate. So first two inputs, that is one is x, another one is y. So for this, I draw an AND gate. See the second term, it is x bar dot y bar. So if I take the input as x, I should attach it with a NOT gate to make it as x bar. X, the output will be x bar. In the same way for y, with the NOT gate, you get y bar. So y here, here y bar. This has to be given into an AND gate because it is a product term. And these two product terms are to be added. For adding, we need the OR gate. So first draw the OR gate and take the output of this AND gate and this AND gate. Give it as input to this OR gate. The output of this AND gate will be xy, that is x dot y, and the output of this AND gate will be x bar, y bar. So if these two are given as input to an OR gate, you get the output as xy plus x bar, y bar. So this is the logic circuit for the given expression. Let's draw the logic circuit for this expression. If you see the first term, a plus b plus c. So the first term is an addition term and the second one is also addition. So it is product of sum. These two sums are multiplied here. In short, it is POS, product of sum. Let's draw the circuit. So for addition, we need OR gate. So for the first term, there are 3 inputs. So we need to draw a 3 input OR gate. So the first input A, the second input B, the third input C. Let us give it as input for an OR gate. And for the second term, first input will be A and the second input is B bar. So B attached with a NOT gate, I get B bar. B here, B bar. Again, this has to be given in a OR gate. So these two terms are to be multiplied. So we need an AND gate here. AND gate. the output of this OR gate will be A plus B plus C. And the output of this OR gate will be A plus B bar. And if you give the output of these two OR gates into the AND gate, the two terms will be multiplied. So the final output will be A plus B plus C into A plus B bar. So that is the circuit. Now we shall find the expression for the given logic circuit. See, there are two inputs given to an AND gate. So the output will be AB. Here B with an OR gate. So you get B bar here. And C, both are given inside an AND gate. So the output will be B bar C. Here both the inputs are complemented with an AND NOT gate. So here you get C bar, here you get A bar. So following the alphabetical order, I am writing as A bar, C bar. So all these three outputs of AND gates are given into an OR gate. So all these terms are to be added. So the final expression will be AB plus B bar C plus A bar C bar. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you everybody for watching.